Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start your own business? Consider starting a limited liability company, or LLC, in the vibrant state of New York. In this video, we'll explore why starting an LLC in New York is a great choice and provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do it. New York, known as the business capital of the world, offers a thriving economic environment, a diverse customer base, and numerous opportunities for growth. Here are some compelling reasons why starting an LLC in New York is advantageous. 1. Limited liability protection. An LLC structure provides personal liability protection, separating your personal assets from those of the business. This shields your personal savings and property in case the LLC faces legal or financial issues. 2. Flexibility in management. LLCs offer flexibility in management, allowing you to choose between member-managed or manager-managed structures. Member-managed LLCs are ideal for small businesses where owners actively participate in daily operations, while manager-managed LLCs are suitable when there are passive investors involved. 3. Tax advantages. New York offers several tax benefits for LLCs. By default, LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, meaning profits and losses pass through to the owner's individual tax returns. New York also has competitive corporate tax rates, making it an attractive option for businesses. 4. Strong networking opportunities. New York has a vibrant business community, providing ample networking opportunities. With numerous industry events, conferences, and meetups, you can connect with potential clients, partners, and investors to fuel your business growth. Now that you understand the advantages, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in New York. Step 1. Choose a name. Select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC that complies with New York's naming requirements. Ensure it ends with the words Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an allowed abbreviation. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive official documents and legal notices on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in New York. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the New York Department of State. This document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and the names of its members. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required, it's advisable to create an operating agreement that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. This document helps establish clear guidelines among the members and protects their interests. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is necessary for tax purposes, opening a bank account, and hiring employees. Step 6. Comply with additional requirements. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits. Research your industry and consult with relevant authorities to ensure compliance. Step 7. Fulfill tax obligations. Register for New York state and local taxes, including sales tax and payroll taxes if applicable. Familiarize yourself with the tax requirements and deadlines to avoid penalties. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This will make accounting and financial management much easier and professional. Step 9. Obtain business insurance. Consider obtaining business insurance to protect your LLC from potential risks and liabilities. General liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and property insurance are common types to consider. Step 10. Comply with ongoing requirements. Maintain your LLC's compliance by filing annual reports and paying any required fees. New York has specific reporting and compliance obligations that you must fulfill to keep your LLC in good standing. Step 11. Seek professional advice. Throughout the process, it's wise to seek guidance from professionals such as lawyers, accountants, or business consultants. They can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific circumstances and ensure compliance with regulations. Starting an LLC in New York can be a rewarding journey, but it requires careful planning and adherence to legal requirements. By following these steps and seeking professional assistance, you'll be well on your way to establishing your business presence in the Empire State. In conclusion, starting an LLC in New York offers numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, tax advantages, and a thriving business ecosystem. By following our step-by-step guide, you can navigate the process successfully and lay the foundation for your business's success. Remember, entrepreneurship requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to adapt to challenges. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful business owner in New York. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.